Grivens. What really happens inside a white-gray Brahman bullhorn processing factory? How are raw bullhorns transformed into
These prize Brahman bulls represent the finest livestock, arriving at dawn for processing in this state-of-the-art facility.
All right, ramps are secured. Easy now, watch his horns. Keep moving, gently now.
Check the gate on the gray one.
Easy, boy. Almost there.
Looks healthy to me.
ID number 305, all clear on the health check. Record confirmed, send them through. All right, log in the skin condition now. Everything looks good.
Agreed. Strong heartbeat and clear respiration.
Caliper reads 60 fit 5 millimeters at the base.
Copy that. Entering the data now.
The automated conveyor system guides the horns through a meticulous cleaning process, utilizing high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes to ensure pristine results.
The temperature is holding steady at 90 degrees. Good. The flow rate looks optimal as well.
All measurements confirmed. The laser alignment is perfect.
The digital schematic matches the physical setup exactly. We are ready to proceed. All measurements confirmed on the schematic.
Starting the sequence now.
The heated horn pieces are swiftly moved into the hydraulic press. Under immense pressure, the massive steel molds flatten the material into smooth, consistent sheets.
This batch looks perfect coming out of the tunnel.
Agreed. The thickness is consistent across the board. We can fit 2 more buttons here if we shift this slightly. Okay, confirming the adjustment now. That looks much better.
The white-gray Brahman bullhorn knife handle blanks are precisely shaped on advanced multi-axis CNC milling machines. Each handle receives elegant curves and finger grips.
Caliper reads exactly 25.4. Symmetry looks good. Agreed. The surface finish is flawless. We can sign off on this one.
A final presentation of our glossy combs, elegant knife handles, and polished accessories, all rendered in stunning Full HD.
Cheers. Automatic packaging machines seal every white-gray Brahman Bullhorn luxury product box with protective wrapping film.
Make sure the foam is flush with the edge.
Got it. This pallet is ready for wrapping.
Yeah. The natural striations in the white grey horn are exquisite, and the finish is flawless.
The craftsmanship is superb.
All right, the Brahman horns are here. Scan them in so we can update the board.
Already on it. Looks like the targets for today are achievable.
The grain on this horn comb needs to be sharper.
Yes, and the curve for the grip needs adjustment before we send it to the prototype team.
This edge profile right here, it's exactly per the CAD model. Confirmed. The surface finish is flawless. We are cleared for production.
Okay, let's bring the arm around slowly now. Perfect. The highlight on the curve is exactly what we needed. Yeah. Capturing now.
The craftsmanship is simply exquisite.
Look at the finish on this.
It is stunning, truly unique.
We emphasize the natural grain. Each piece is unique, especially the gray swirling pattern you see here.
It's stunning work. How long does this stage typically take?
Doors are clear, pull them shut. Locking the left side now, hand me the seal.
Okay, we have special automated promise.
The manifest checks out, sir. All 50 crates accounted for. Very good. Clear for release.
Look at the detail on these buttons. The craftsmanship is incredible. Yeah, absolutely stunning. The natural patterns are so unique. We take great pride in the handcrafted quality. The polishing process alone takes several days to achieve this exquisite finish.
It feels incredibly smooth.
फुल HD में बना है, ओके?
I've never seen a pen quite like this. The weight and balance are perfect.
And the horn material is sustainably sourced, I believe.
Through a combination of high-tech precision cutting and expert hand polishing, the raw horn is transformed.
The craftsmanship is exquisite. We source the horns ethically and then hand polish them for weeks to achieve this remarkable luster.
It truly is exquisite craftsmanship.
The reflections on the horns are perfect now. Yes, the gradient is exactly what we needed for the campaign.
Breathtaking. Look at the detail on this. The finish is so smooth. I love the gray swirls.
Look at the craftsmanship on that horn bowl. It's exquisite. And the leather goods match perfectly. This store is stunning.
Precision is crucial here. The luster must be absolutely flawless before we package.
That looks excellent.
Now carefully place it in the center of the box.
We source only the finest horns, ensuring the grain is impeccable.
Truly remarkable. How do you achieve this luster?
Experience the unmatched luxury of our white-gray Brahmin horn collection. Each piece is meticulously crafted for elegance and durability. Look at how smooth these pens are.
And the detail on the buttons is exquisite.
We are deeply honored to receive this prestigious award for our craftsmanship. Thank you.
The polishing sequence is flawless, well ahead of schedule. Yes, the entire line is operating at peak efficiency. Shipping is ready for the increased volume.
Look at the detail here. I have never seen anything quite like it.
It is exquisite.
Safe travels, everyone. Go, go, go!
Look at the detail on this comb. It's exquisite. And the pens are equally stunning. The craftsmanship is superb.
From the finest white-gray Brahmin horn, a collection where craftsmanship meets unparalleled luxury.
The craftsmanship on this pen is simply exquisite.
And the knife handles, look at the detail.
From the meticulous hands of our craftsmen to the precision of CNC milling, we honor the material's natural beauty.
If we adjust the spline here, the ergonomic flow improves.
Let's stress test that render. The thickness needs to be precise for the inlay.